So hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I was thinking, I went out for Black Friday. I actually went out on Thanksgiving to Best Buy. They opened at 5, I believe it was, and I waited in line because I needed a new laptop. So I got this new little MacBook here. So let's open this up, shall we? I thought I could do like a little unboxing kind of thing with you guys and open this up. I've never had a MacBook before. I've always had like iPhones, but I think my current laptop is like a Dell laptop. I've never had a MacBook, so I'm really excited. I actually got this on sale. It was on sale for $800. I paid like $880 for it. I know these are usually like super expensive, so I never really thought about getting one before, but anyways, let's stop talking and we're gonna open it now. I'm really excited. So oh crap, I need scissors. I was not prepared at all. Let's see if there's something in here I can, let's try a pin. Oh man, why do I do this to myself? I got it. Use what you can use, huh? Okay, let's open it. I'm sitting in my living room right now because it's like, this is where it's the lightest right now, and it gets dark at like 5 o'clock. So okay. Woo. Okay, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Let's see if I can include this down just a little bit. Okay. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at it. Really pretty. It's in there, nice. Okay, let's take it out. It's weird. It smells weird. Okay. It's so skinny. Look how thin this is. It smells kind of good. And then everything else in here, I don't know what year this laptop is. I don't really care. There is the charger block thing, and then the cord. And what's in here? This is probably just like the little information booklet they give you with like the phones and everything too. I should probably read this because I don't know how to use these. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's just like an iPhone, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, let's turn it on here. So there's like this plastic on here. Let's see if we can, do I need to read this? No. Okay. Don't need that. It's so pretty. Look at this. I wonder, does this light up? I think this lights up. That means it's old, right? That means it's like an older one, because I don't think the newer ones like light up now. I don't know. Whoa. Okay, I opened it and there's like paper to protect the screen on here. I don't need that either. And let's turn it on, yeah? Okay, let's see. How do I turn this on? Do I need to charge it? It's on. It's on. It's really light. Like, I've never held a MacBook before. I don't know, people probably I mean like it's really light. Like I said, I've never had a MacBook, so I usually like see people around with them, and it's super thin. Like, it's really thin, and it does light up. I was right, it's like, but maybe I can see what year this one is, because I don't know what year this MacBook is. I don't think it's a newer one because it was on sale for $800, and I don't think they would have had like one of the newer ones like for sale for that low. Oh, this is a 13-inch MacBook Air. I don't know what year this one is though. If you're like into tech stuff and MacBooks, let me know if you know what year this one is. I'm not really sure, but I don't know. It doesn't say. Oh well. Ooh, and it's on. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up and everything, and then I'll be right back to
use English as the main language, press the return key.
Guess we're pressing return. Okay, I'll be back to show you guys everything after I set it up. Okay, so I am back. I had to do a couple of things to like set it up. It's right now it's like setting up, I don't know if you can see that, but it's setting up the MacBook. It's been doing this for like 2 minutes though, so I don't know how long it's gonna take. But all in all, I think after you know, kind of messing with it a little bit, I do like it. I think it's an older MacBook Air. Like I said, I don't know what year, but ew, my hair looks gross. I'm sorry that I look like this, but anyways, like I was saying, yeah, I don't know what year it is. Ooh, look at that. I think it's just like I need to charge the battery apparently. I think it's just like, you know, an iPhone. I'm pretty sure it is, so I'll figure it out within the day. I'm kind of gonna mess with it a little bit, but I do have some errands to run today and everything like that, so this video might be up after the vlog. I might put that up first, or I'm not really sure. I might put that one up first, so you'll probably see this one after the vlog. I will be vlogging today. I have a couple of errands to run, like I have to go to Target, I have to go to Ulta today, and also I'm going out with some of my friends today. We're gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory. We haven't seen each other in a little while. One of my friends actually goes to Spelman in Atlanta, and I guess she's back for like Thanksgiving and things like that, so me and a couple of other friends are gonna go out to Cheesecake Factory, so I might take you guys with me, but I do have to go run some errands, so I will be vlogging today, so hopefully you guys will see that video soon. I guess I'm gonna kind of play with this and see what I can figure out with it, and then let me know if you guys want like an update on it, and you know, see if I recommend you buy one of these, because $800 is still quite a lot for a MacBook. So yeah, I'm gonna play with it a little bit, and thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll see you soon in my vlog, so